So for question number 5, we're being told to determine if the two triangles are congruent, and it's based on what we know. So if I look at this, I have some congruent sides, and I have some congruent angles, right? And I guess if I really want to look at this, I think what they're asking us is this triangle congruent to this triangle? It looks like a diamond, but I mean, we got to think about it like that. Now, what's interesting is they don't say it to us, but they both share this line, so that is congruent. Now, somebody might think you can do this with like a side angle side, but remember the angle has to be trapped between the two sides. And so if this was a side angle side problem, you would have to do it differently. So then the next question is, well, Mr. Adams, can we solve this by side angle? Well, that's a good question. Is that one of the theorems? Is there a side angle theorem for congruence? Unfortunately, that doesn't work. So we can say no. Can't prove. Info. So you can't prove that one being congruent with the information they've given you.